It's Friday, September 24th, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. Top categories. The billion-dollar category home services reached an all-time high this week, remaining in first place while dominating the top categories list. Insurance struggled to keep up, but held strong in second place. Legal, which has grown to become a prominent vertical, remained in third. Personal insurance stayed in fourth. And financial services, which is made of many different subcategories, remained in fifth place. Now it's time for our top offers. Addiction marketing specialists remained in the top spot on our top offers list with their 24/7 nationwide campaign. WeCall jumped up to second with their Medicare campaign. 33-mile radius also popped up on the top offers list, claiming third with their water damage campaign. Another addiction campaign that made the top offers list was the Rehab 24/7 nationwide campaign with Addiction Help Now. And in fifth place was eLocal and its Water Flood Damage 24/7 nationwide campaign. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, check out the Ringba blog for all the details. A link will also be available in the comments below. Now it's time for our top networks. As home services dominates the top categories list, LeadSmart's campaigns are seeing success because they're mostly focused on that category. They continue to dominate first place. Hyper-target marketing is focusing mostly on insurance campaigns and remained in second place. eLocal moved up a position, claiming third. MarketCall and their 77 offers took fourth place. Aragon Advertising increased the amount of offers available to 808 offers and held firm in fifth. This week, all 5 of the top 5 pay-per-call networks are Ringba customers. We'd like to thank our friends over at OfferVault for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data, as well as helping us analyze the latest changes in the pay-per-call industry. Now it's time for our pay-per-call trends. For more market insights, we turn to our industry expert, Alex Shkarupa, Senior Affiliate Manager at MarketCall. Alex, what advice do you have for managing affiliates?
Yeah, so managing affiliates includes several processes, but I think you should focus really on 2 main processes. One is vetting process and other is identifying the opportunities. So when we talk about the vetting process, it's how you onboard your new affiliates, how you vet them for traffic quality. Maybe you ask for some references from other affiliate networks, and you just need to make sure you're working with experienced affiliates. And the second process is identifying the new opportunities, because as we know, pay-per-call can be done in several verticals, and maybe this affiliate is currently working only, let's say, in the insurance space, but he may be also interested in the financial space. So you need to make sure you know all the demands that are coming from your affiliates so you can set up those campaigns later for them.
Thanks, Alex. Now it's time for our news and announcements. We're officially in trade show season, and we want to see you at the upcoming trade shows. If you're attending Insure Tech Connect in Las Vegas October 4th through the 6th, be sure to link up with the Ringba team at booth 1013. We'll also be at LeadsCon in Las Vegas November 21st through the 22nd. You can find us at booth 406. Pay-per-call careers. Our innovative and client-oriented Ringba team is looking to fill the following positions: View user experience developers, senior .NET engineers, and business development managers. Email us at sales@ringba.com with your resume to learn more. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Pay-per-call Report. Make sure you tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the industry. Now, if you're a Ringba customer and you'd like to be featured on this show, please contact your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.